Hey guys, it's Carolyn. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the smoky eye look, which is inspired by Houston anchor Dominic Sasha, whatever. So let's get started. First, taking an extra fair eyeshadow all over the eyes. Taking a bronze eyeshadow all over the eyelids. Taking a lavender eyeshadow besides the brown, full orange shade stick in the crease area, milk chocolate, midnight black eyeshadow above the crease area in the outer B, taking lavender shade stick on the lower lash lines, black again. This is smoky effect. We're going to apply black kohl liner, the lash lines, black liquid eyeliner to the top lash lines. Gave the silver wing, just like she did. Taking a royal white mascara to prime our lashes, black lengthening mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Taking a royal white volume mascara, prime our volume lashes. Taking a black volume mascara. For the cheeks, we're going to apply bronze blush as contour. Taking a peach blush, the cheekbones, we're going to highlight with alabaster blush. Then I'm going to be taking a lip liner, peach lip liner, to line the lips. Taking a peach lipstick, peach lip gloss. Then I get Lux lip gloss. Already have put the falsies. Let's take a Dory chocolate highlighter. Dominic has the very darkest, lightish brown hair. Light caramel highlighter to highlight. Chocolate again to make her hair looks really darker. Here's the inspired look. That's it for a smoky look.